Here's how to turn your Facebook account in a Facebook page. First of all, you need to go ahead and open the Facebook application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. After that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen and then open your profile. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Turn on Professional Mode. If you're unfamiliar with professional mode, you can read more about it. Otherwise, you can go ahead and tap on Turn On. And after it loads, tap on Next several times. And once you reach the end, you'll see a professional dashboard. Tap on your profile and you'll see the professional dashboard indicating that you're now a digital creator with followers instead of friends. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.